Our portable factory concept challenges the status quo and the existing dealer model that's out there today. At its core is a platform that enables dealers to self-manufacture and build their own brand of modular ramps with a very simple process. Just cut, drill, and fasten. Anyone can do it. Current clients taking advantage of this amazing opportunity are experiencing significantly higher profit margins by reducing product costs by 50% and eliminating their shipping costs. Also, they're speeding up turn times, leading to much better and improved customer service. This process will provide you pricing leverage to compete with any manufacturer on any contract. It's time to start to level the playing field.